Targa Telematics and former FCA since 2017 were among the first players to launch OEM data connectivity solution. Together, they understood that with these solutions, they can reduce the complexity of installing a standard aftermarket box. From that moment, we saw the widespread of a lot of other solutions of this kind, and Targa continued to innovate in order to bring to the customer more flexible fleet management solution that can reduce the complexity, increase the efficiency, and bring more values to the customers.
Today, using connected OEM data seems almost obvious, but nearly 10 years ago it wasn't like that. Back in 2017, the idea that Targa Telematics and, at the time, FCA could build a solution directly from connected vehicle was truly innovative. We were exploring territory that was still largely untested in the industry. Since then, the partnership has evolved a lot. We moved from a very early data capabilities to a mature and scalable ecosystem that now supports thousands of fleets. What started as a technical collaboration has become a real innovation partnership built on trust, shared learning, and constant drive to evolve together. Indeed, Stellantis has an impressive vehicle and connected technologies portfolio, and this allows Mobilisights, its data as a service business unit, to have a rich and diverse data environment. Targa Telematics, in response, brings the ability to turn this complex data universe into clear, actionable insights. Together, we help companies to understand better when to electrify, how to optimize energy use, and where they can reduce emissions. And as mobility models evolve, data gives operators the confidence to innovate with real-world evidence rather than assumptions. In the end, data becomes the driver of every strategic decision.
Thank you very much, Alexandre, and thank you also for your precious data. They come from very wide range of technologies and different brands. So Targa has to put a lot of effort in order to standardize these various data, what we call raw data, enriching them with AI algorithms that can lead to clean data that can help the customer to take a data-driven decision. For example, the fleet manager using this data, thanks to them, can decide if it is the case to electrify a portion of it, or how he can reduce the fuel consumption of the vehicles in the fleet, or also how he can reduce the downtime period that is very cost-effective for them. In overall, Targa not only helps to understand if it is the case to modify the fleet management, but also how, when, and where, thanks to real data-driven. Targa Telematics and Mobilisights has a unique collaboration, since they really know the market, in particular in the fields of the insurance and rental cars. Targa has a straight relationship with its clients and can receive the needs from them, pass them to Mobilisights, who can create specific data pack that can answer in the most efficient and cost-effective way. The two companies understood that the needs can change during the years, so they have to continue to innovate in order to answer always in the most efficient way.
As Pasquale mentioned, Targa brings a very deep understanding of telematics and what fleet managers need day to day. Stellantis, on the other hand, has an equally deep expertise in the vehicles we design and the data generated from them. So, when we combine this strength and put this knowledge at the service of Targa's customer, we create a model where everyone wins. And I believe the key lesson is very clear. The future of mobility will be shaped by ecosystem, not by individual players. When OEMs and tech partners work together side by side, the value delivered to customers doesn't just adapt, it multiplies.